Hello students, so let's solve this Math Olympiad problem where we have square root of 0.01 plus square root of 0.0064 plus square root of 0.16. First step here is to solve the innermost square root. So here we have 0.01 plus, so the square root of 0.0064 will be equal to 0.08 plus square root of 0.16. Here next we'll add the two numbers. So 0.01 plus 0.08 will be 0.09 plus square root of 0.16. Now the square root of 0.09 will be 0.3 and square root of 0.16 is 0.4, cos 3 square equals 9 and 4 square equals 16. So 0.09 square root is 0.3 and 0.16 square root is 0.4. Now we'll add the 2. 0.3 plus 0.4 is 0.7. So our final answer is 0.7. Hence option C is the correct answer. So this is how we solve these kind of problems. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for many more such videos. Thanks for watching.